As long as it's
trying to form right here.
I know. Look at that right there. That's pretty significant.
I don't know enough about whether it's metal, but I would say as long as it rotates on the edge of it.
Me and my brother used to go out all the time. He went last night.